Hey guys, say you're watching some LEA.
No one expects you just to...
Then your TV turns off. Blackout. And you're like, what? I don't know what's gonna happen next. So it turns off and then it turns back on. Turns back on. And you're like, oh, thank God it's back on. Now I can do it. And then you wait, and then you wait, and then you're just like, oh, it's fine. And then it does it like 10 minutes later. And you're just like, alright, it's getting annoying now. So, if you're on Xbox, PlayStation, or Wii, or whatever, if you're on a games console, what you're going to have to turn it off. Yep. Then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to turn your TV off. Then you're just like, what are you going to do now? So you're going to wait till your Xbox turns off. Sorry if I'm shaky. PVZ's coming out soon. Anyway, once you've done this, what you're going to do is you're going to have to come down to your plugs. And you're going to have to turn it off. Everything in your room is going to turn off. Now you've done that, you're going to have to unplug everything. And then just blow on the plugs. A lot of blowing out in plugs later. Okay, so then you've done all your plugs. Just put everything back. Maybe move your power brick a bit. Moves good. So there we go. And then just turn the power back on. Because you must think it's your cable, and then you switch cable around, and it's just like, it's still doing it. And then you think it's the TV, you buy a new TV, and it's still doing it. And then you notice it's the plug. So, if you did that, you're dumb. You should just came to my video. Anyway, turn your Xbox back on, turn the TV back on. You might have to set your date and time back on your TV, unless if you got a internet TV, but you're gonna have to put the internet back on. Because every time I reset the internet on my downstairs TV, it will disconnect. So yeah. So wait for it to start up, and you hopefully won't get that problem again. Bye. Later that evening. No! What? No!